Start hook round 24. Round 24 6 sets of 1 reducer, a total of 6 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. At the place of drawing, start to hook a reducer, which is to pick the other half of the 2 needles. Pull the thread again. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. That's the end of the first hook. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sides. Loop 24 is done. Take off the buckle. Pull on. Switch it closure. Hook 6 ring start short pins. Start hook the second circle. The second circle is 3 sets of 1 short stitch, then 1 plus stitch, a total of 9 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. Hook a short needle at the start of the draw. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. To hook down a reduction needle is to pick the other half needle of 2 needles. Pull the line, and then pull the line, so that the first group of hook is finished. And then we hook up the other 2 sets. The third loop is finished. Remove the marker. The draw is over. Start the hook round 3 to 4. Round 3 to 4 is a set of 9 short stitches, a total of 9 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. Hook 9 short pins at the start of the draw. When the 8 of a hook is finished, remove the marking button, draw the end. Fold in half for x closing equals 4, 1s. Leave about 6 inches of wire to cut. Start hook the first circle. The first circle is a set of ring stitch 6 short stitches, a total of 6 stitches. Start hook the second circle. The second circle is a set of 6 plus stitches, a total of 12 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. Start with 6 extra pins at the point of drawing, which is to hook 2 short pins in the same stitch. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sets. The second loop is finished. Remove the marker and pull out. Start hook the third round. The third round is 1 set of 1 short stitch and 1 plus stitch, a total of 18 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. Hook a short needle at the start of the draw. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. Then hook down 1 plus needle is to hook 2 short needles in the same needle, till the first set of hooks is finished. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sets. The third loop is finished. Remove the marker. The draw is over. Start hook round 4. Round 4 is one set of 2 short stitches and 1 plus stitch, a total of 24 stitches. Now start a stand-up needle, then hook the first set. Hook 2 short pins at the start of the draw. Add a marking buckle to the first short pin. Then hook down 1 plus needle is to hook 2 short needles in the same needle till the first set of hook is finished.